You never should eat late at night. Or should you? Most people think late-night snacking is a one-way ticket to weight gain. But here's the truth. They've got it all wrong. Stick around because what I'm about to tell you might shock you. Your metabolism doesn't just shut down at night. In fact, your body still burns calories while you sleep. But here's the catch. What you eat matters more than when you eat. Junk food? Yeah, that's a problem. But a high-protein snack? It might actually boost your metabolism and help you burn more fat overnight. And get this, studies show that going to bed hungry can spike your stress hormones, making you more likely to binge the next day. Therefore, smart snacking could actually help with weight control, not ruin it. So, the real problem isn't late-night eating itself. It's what's on your plate. Choose wisely, and you might just wake up leaner, not heavier. But here's a crazy stat. 75% of people still believe this myth. Are you one of them? Let me know in the comments.